Hello everyone, good afternoon. I know a few minutes I'm late, but you know what, late is better than nothing. Hope everybody's doing okay. I know I'm doing okay, and I know that what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to do a couple of things. One of them is I'm going to do sweet potatoes.
Sweet.
And grill it in our micro grill. You know by now, micro grill. Do I have to repeat again that our micro grill is there is a hot plate here, there is a hot plate here, and then grill it with marshmallows. That's our dessert, one of the dessert. And afterwards I'm going to do...
Did you say marshmallows?
Yes, I'm going to make a sweet potatoes and marshmallows and cinnamon and some brown sugar all together. Then I'm going to do stuffed pepper today in our pressure cooker. And I'm going to do, again, our blizzard. So, First, let me start with our medium size. Let me put it safe. Medium size of our Chef Mando. This is the medium size, which is on special this month. You could use it in 3 different sizes. Yes, you could open like this, but if it's closed like this, it's safe. And I have what you call it, protector. Okay, and I'm going to put this here. Okay, in here nicely, and I'm going to try number 2, which I was trying to see it here. The size is nice, and I could even do it number 1, you know, depends how you want it.
What's the difference?
It's a sizes. I will show it to you.
You mean one gives you a thicker slice?
Yes. And you could do like this. See? This is number 1. This is number 2. That's the difference, okay? It's this is a thinner. And you know what? I will do it number 1. And then I'm going to put this here like this for protector. See how easy it is? You could do your potatoes, you could do your anything you wanted to Mando Chef, different sizes. So what I'm going to do, it's easy breezy, as you could see. I'm going to put it in here, 1 layer. You know, if you like to eat, you create any recipe you like to. That is my motto. Okay? As you could see, I all put nicely here, all covered at the bottom. Nicely. As you could see, it's there. Now I'm going to add my marshmallows. You know what? You put as much as you want your marshmallows. I was even thinking to put some chocolate in there, but I forgot. But it's okay. You know? As you could see, some marshmallows are done.
You know, what was the container that you used for the marshmallows?
This is our Tupperware module made container that I store it. No bugs, nothing will go in. It is
it has an inner seal and an outer seal.
Yes, thank you, Donald. Today my brain is fried. I don't know why. So you close it and seal it and walk around, and then you know what, it's done. And I will tell you at the end that those are on special this month as well too. Yes. And then I'm going to put another layer of potatoes, sweet potatoes.
Sweet.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. You know what, different kind of, as you could see, let me put a little bit of more. marshmallows. And put the rest of my, this is a half a sweet potatoes that I purchased it last few weeks ago. You know what, I didn't have a chance to use it. I decided to use it now. Okay, so this is all done. It is there. I'm going to put it in I'm going to put it in a casserole position, not the grill position that the sides are open. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. Okay? While that is, I will put this and always lock it, that when you put it in a sink, it will not
have any sharp things sticking out.
No. And as you could see, I used our pastry sheet. The pastry sheet, I use it for protection your any counter space. Then it's easy to wash it, your pastry sheet. This is, a lot of people, they use it for baking cookies. They put it on their counter. This is here as well. That is done. So now our second thing is, today, as I told you, I'm going to put the cinnamon after with the sugar in there. This goes here.
Meanwhile, if anybody has any questions, I can relay them to Ruth.
Yes, please, and thank you. And so what I'm going to do in here, I need some garlic. As you could see, my garlics are I prepare them ahead of time and freeze them. And then I have 2 onions. It is our Power Chef. You know by now how much I use our Power Chef.
Very versatile.
Very versatile every time. Okay, first, let's chop the onion and garlic. Then I'm going to add in there my parsley. My parsley is in our Fridge Smart container. Our Fridge Smart container, your vegetables stays long time in there. We do have a different, this is the old version, but I still use it because they are good. Half a bunch.
Like, we really never throw anything out.
No. And then half a bunch of a full parsley. I had washed it and prepared it there. It's here. It's an air control system, and as we know that I will talk about it later on about this new version, that how could you get it in a great price. Yes, that is done as well too. Okie dokie. And it's easy to chop. Everything is there. As you could see, I just wanted to, it smells so good. So far I have a garlic, onion, and parsley. Okie dokie. As you can see, our new Shirley Elegant, no, is it? Yeah.
It's Clearly Elegant.
Clearly Elegant, you know, the names I forget a lot of time. I guess it's the age.
That's why you have to go to ruthdd.ca to check the specific names.
Yes. So what I'm going to do here, as you could see, I have my parsley, I have my onion in here.
And your garlic.
And my garlic. This is finished. The job is done. Voila. Then I need 1 cup of rice. Yes, it doesn't matter, any rice, it doesn't matter for me. That's 1 cup of rice is done. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is add here, I'm going to add pomegranate juice concentrated. Yes, we do put this in our food. I'm going to put around 2 tablespoons. It gives a nice taste. Yes, it's soury a little bit. Then I have 2 lemon squeezed in here. Yes. We mix it up together. I'm going to put I forgot my measuring spoons upstairs. Around 1 full tablespoon of mint, dry mint. As you could see, we use a lot. What else do I need to put here? Here, I'm going to put half a can of tomato sauce. You know, it is very nice. As you could see, I'm using my our
can opener.
It's very easy. See how easy it is to go around. Oh, it's done. Then there is a pick here. You could use this pick to pick it up, or if you're doing like this, round, go backwards, it will open it. Okay, so this is beauty of our can opener is that when there is no sharp ends that cuts you off, and as you could see, it's nice and safe for your kids, for your
people who are doing your recycling.
Yes, like my husband. So I'm going to put half of the can here. Perfect. Done. As you could see, I will empty it in Tupperware for the next. Like I like to put tomatoes in my food, but as little as possible. And then I'm going to put a little bit of salt. And the last thing, I'm going to put it in and mix it up. Let me put this here. Before see, I cut my peppers. I'm going to stuff them. They were very nice and beautiful.
Oh, you really planned ahead.
Yes, because we wanted to save time as much as possible, but you get a lot out of it. Okay, so this is all. Mixture is done, except one thing. Let me put my glove to mix the meat. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I purchased 700 grams of ground beef. Yes, I'm going to use half of it. Oh, okay, Ruth.
One finger at a time.
I know. I put it here for you to show it to you guys. I'm not using everything. Half of it. Okay. So the other half, I could store it later on. Mix nicely. You could do this without the meat as well too. When you do without the meat, you could add, if you wish, mushrooms. Mushroom, it gives the texture of meat. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pepper, fill it up. And fill it up. when everything is ready, the dinner is very easy, and then it takes 20 minutes to cook everything. Voila. Meantime, as you could see while I'm preparing this, anybody has any questions, please ask me. No? Maybe?
Not right now.
See, I did 1, 2, 3, 6 stuffed peppers. And I still have extras
That we save.
that we save in a container, or let me fill it up here. I think I will fill it up on tops. Extra, I love this mixture, you know. We have more.
Will you be posting the recipe on Facebook afterwards?
It's very easy. I will do that, yes. As you could see, it's done.
You mixed up the onions and garlic and...
Yes, and as you could see, it's all there. I put those on top. I like to put the tops
put the
on.
parsley in, and then the rice and some other ingredients.
Yes. 1 second before.
Yeah, let's see how this turned out.
See? Oh my God, it smells good. Holy, holy.
We're going back to our sweet potatoes that got even sweeter with marshmallows.
Check them up. Oh my gosh. Check it out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add
brown sugar.
Brown sugar. This is, remember I told you guys, this is, what is this? This is a dessert.
A la Ruth.
Yes. This is a dessert. I'm going to put some cinnamon on, you know, in our as you could see, you could buy it as a bulk. And then, oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, very good. And then here, now I do grill for 2 minutes. That is done, and this is done too. Here, I'm going to add in here, because I put 1 cup of rice. I know there is vegetables in there. I'm going to add 2 cups of water, because we need the rice to be cooked. Yes, nicely.
Yeah, the rice was not cooked when we started.
No. So, like I said, it's always a rule of thumb: 1 cup of rice. It's
2 cups of water.
2 cups of water, or 2.5 cups of water. But me personally, I put 2 cups because we had the vegetables in there. And then I'm going to close it. Our pressure cooker, 20 minutes, it's going to be ready to go. So that is all ready. Let's put the meat in the fridge. So as you guys know, right now Tupperware is celebrating a birthday month, and Tupperware birthday month is amazing. We do have a great specials going on. As you could see, we have here 20 piece products. let me clean this area, and then I go this way and bring it here.
And these specials start on Thursday, April.
Yeah, but I'm taking a pre-orders if you need anything. There's 5 different sizes for your lunches. It's on special ×4. Yes.
×4.
You heard me. So 20-piece products, it's on special. Our small Piccadilly is buy one, you buy 2 together, which is on special as well too. Oh, this is something I really love to see what's going to happen at the summer. It's nice for sangria. You twist it, you pour it. This is a 3-liter jug. Yes, let me take that one out and put the pressure cooker in. Okay, next thing I wanted to talk about it is our module make. Remember I told you about our module make? They are on special. Yes, you heard me right. They are on a special. So, what you get? You got one number 1, one number 4. It could be blue, it could be black. And then you could have one number 2 and one number 3. See here? They're all modularized. And then
those are the oval.
Those are ovals are on special. 4-piece here. And then we have a 4-piece mini rectangular. Those are exclusive products. One of my favorite sizes. So you get 2 of this and 2 of this. See, they're all on special. So all this is on special right now. What else do we have here on special? I personally don't have this now. I ordered it. It's coming, but I don't have it. I just wanted to show you what I have. Let me turn the page. I know last year we did not have it, but this year we have our hamburger press. I forgot to show it here. Our hamburger press is on special here. Yes, let me show you here. Let me put those away. Then I have a space. Yeah, you prepare your own hamburgers ahead of time. Yes, you heard me right. You don't buy it. You make it. So it comes like this. This is our hamburger press with 4 stacker. Yes, 4 stackers that you prepare it ahead of time. And then you stack them and freeze it. And then whenever you need, you take one at a time. And if you wanted to add additional, you could buy additional 4 as well too. Those are why supply lasts. I recommend you, if you are thinking about it, please let me know as soon as possible. And those are on special as well. What else on special? On special is our tumblers. They are pink, okay? They're not orange, but I have this color. I needed to show you the size. That's why I have them here. What else? Oh my gosh. Excitement. It's a birthday month. Yes, it's crazy. And then...
How many years are we talking?
We're talking 75 years here. 75 years here. We're 75 years. Yay! Tupperware has been in the market 75 years. And then we have... I talked about the Piccadilly. The small one. We have the trays. Yes, those trays are amazing. It's a TV dinner. You eat in front of the TV. If you are traveling in the car, this is nice size for the kids. They could sit at the back and draw. They could eat as well. It comes a set of 4. And then, let me put this. Like I mentioned it, they are, I have them to show it to you, but they're not the color that is in the brochure. Yes, the reason why, because I haven't received my order yet. But we have a peekaboo. You see me? You don't see me. So those are the peekaboo bowls Those are on a different color. It's in on special as well too. So, and as you could see, they are nice open. You could see through. And you know what? A lot of gentlemen, they like to see their food to eat it, or otherwise if they don't see, they don't eat it. Like this is a nice for man's bowls. Yes, I call them a man's bowls. So those are there nicely. Hoppala. Oh my God, isn't this exciting? Oh, I get so excited. One last thing right now to let you guys know about our membership. Yes, our membership, it's getting exciting, crazy. Birthday month, when you like to say yes to Tupperware. So, and you put your first order of $50, you could get this for only $20. Yes, you heard me right, $20.
$20?
Yes, $116 plus tax plus shipping. It's almost $150. You pay only $20. See here, this part. This part is...
It's an air control system.
Air control system. See all these vegetables here? It needs a little bit of air and a little bit of humidity. All this needs a lot of air. All this needs a lot of humidity. So it controls it from here. As you could see, there are different
settings
there. So this is our membership. And let me know. Give me a call. And I will be gladly here, Donald. You could put it there.
Yeah.
And I will be gladly to assist you. And I just wanted to let you know that okay, you could put it back here. And I just wanted to let you know that just put it on top of FridgeSmart. Our system is down right now.
That was planned.
That is planned, yes, because what it is that system is getting upgraded, which is an awesome thing. Yes, I know. I'm so excited for that. And what I will, and if you have any question, let me know. And if you like to share this video with your friends and family, please do that as well too. And I just want to mention it that Friday I'm having a reveal box party as well too. And if you wish to host a party for yourself, let me know. I'm here to shower you with gifts. My last thing, what I wanted to do is, it was so popular last week in our house. I am going to do again. What am I going to do? In fact, I didn't go to shopping, and as you could see, only from last week to today is 3 left. Yeah, my Oreos. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put those 3 Oreos in here. It's gone, finished. Hey, and I'm going to put those mini cookies in there as well too, you know, as our shear is amazing. As you could see, our one, I think I will put,
I think that's good enough.
I think that's good enough because you're going to eat. Okay. Here, as you could see, I just wanted to show it. So it's not the only Oreos. You could use any cookies you wanted to. And I'm going to chop it. Check this out. It's all done. Next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to add our vanilla ice cream. It was started melting up there. I will put one. Our ice cream, as you could see how easy it is, our ice cream, see, check this out.
Our ice cream scoop does a great job.
Yeah, like see, it is moving nicely. And what happened is that once you hold this, from your heat, it goes to, it connects with this. I think I'm going to put one more, and that's it. This is done as well. And let me put this away. It's melting. Okie dokie. Thank you.
Nice and slow to start. And this results in an ice cream treat similar to the blizzard that you get at Dairy Queen.
Yes, as you could see, I'm just going to try it. Yes, as they said that Dairy Queen does like this, that it doesn't come down, and it doesn't. I'm going to mix it one more. I think, Donald, in that bag there is a transparent medium bowl. The Tupperware bag there. Yep, and as you could see, I use this again. Oh, my spatulas are not here either. Interesting. Okay, no problem. I use my spreader, which I always like to use it. See, you could put it in your... And you know what? If you don't eat it right away, it's okay. What you do is that put it in the fridge. You could eat it later, you know.
If the husband doesn't eat it first.
Yeah, you know what? In my house, I'm not worried about it because I'm sure he's going to eat before me. It's okay. So this is all set. Great. So I will put it in the freezer and then put it in. Okay? This is what our today's show is. I will post the pictures later for our stuffed peppers. Yes. And that's it for now. See you all soon. And if you want at the Tupperware party, let me know. You want to join my team, let me know. You want to have any questions, any service, let me know. I'm here to service you. Have a fantastic day. Stay safe. Bye now.